आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी अभिनेत्री है जो बहुत ही ज्यादा फेमस है बीइंग ऑन रियलिटी शो एंड दैट टू डेटिंग शोज बी इट MTV का रियलिटी शो या मिक्का दी वोटी कि काफी अब तो विनर रहे हो लव स्कूल के। तो ये बात बताइए कि हाउ स्क्रिप्टेड आर दीज डेटिंग शोज?
वेल अगर इफ आई टॉक अबाउट MTV लव स्कूल, इट्स नॉट रियली स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं रहता है। कैसा रहता है कि यूजुअली दे सी कि कौन विच कंटेस्टेंट इज एंटरटेनिंग है, उनको जितना मसाला चाहिए उतना मिल रहा है।
यू गॉट द नेक्स्ट शो विच वाज मिक्का दी वोटी।
Yes.
उसका क्या एक्सपीरियंस था? मतलब मिक्का सिंह इज वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल एंड यू गोइंग ऑन दैट शो एज यू नो बीइंग वन ऑफ द पोटेंशियल ब्राइड्स, हाउ डिड यू कन्विंस एवरीवन? लाइक थोड़ा तो जजमेंट पास ऑन हुआ होगा।
Well, I think so. That show also was fun. Is different contestant. That उसका vibe बहुत अलग होता था. Very different. Because again, there's this one guy and everyone wants to get married to him. So I think so. I had a lot of fun. I don't know about rest of them.
And you have also done the sequel of Andaz. उसके बारे में बताओ because the first one was cult.
I think so. That movie was fun, and also working with Sunil Darshan sir was absolutely fun because he is someone when you work, मतलब इतने जो बहुत पुराने इंडस्ट्री के कोई रहते हैं, आप उनसे मिलते हो, काम करते हो, you get to learn a lot of things.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of 4 PM Bollywood और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट हर्षिता और हर एपिसोड में मैं लेकर आती हूँ एक नया सेलिब्रिटी। आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी अभिनेत्री है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस है बीइंग ऑन रियलिटी शो एंड दैट टू डेटिंग शोज बी इट MTV का रियलिटी शो या मिक्का दी वोटी, और अब बहुत जल्दी आप उन्हें देखने वाले हो बड़े पर्दे पर। सो विदाउट मच डिले इंट्रोड्यूसिंग मनप्रीत कौर ऑन 4 PM बॉलीवुड।
नाइस इंट्रोडक्शन वैसे, एंड ऑल्सो दिस वन थिंग जो आपने बोला है कि डेटिंग शोज, आई थिंक सो इट इज समथिंग विच इवन आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मुझे डेटिंग शोज के लिए क्यों बुलाया जाता है,
Exactly.
व्हाई रियलिटी डेटिंग शोज ऑलवेज, बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके।
कहीं ना कहीं से शुरुआत करते हैं एंड आपकी काफ़ी अब तो विनर रहे हो लव स्कूल के। तो ये बात बताइए कि हाउ स्क्रिप्टेड आर दीज डेटिंग शोज?
वेल अगर इफ आई टॉक अबाउट MTV लव स्कूल, इट्स नॉट रियली स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं रहता है। कैसा रहता है कि यूजुअली दे सी कि कौन विच कंटेस्टेंट इज एंटरटेनिंग है, उनको जितना मसाला चाहिए उतना मिल रहा है, या व्हाटएवर दे आर लुकिंग फॉर स्पेसिफिकली। अगर जैसे लव स्कूल वाज अ डेटिंग शो, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको उतना बिल्टअप मिल रहा है, एक स्टोरी लाइन मिल रही है, तो दे विल पुश यू। मतलब वो ऐसा रहता है, इट इज़ नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड, यू कैन से it is purely something that you do, but again, how much are you giving the audience? It's always how much you're providing to the audience.
मसाला basically.
मतलब you every person has characters, सबके अपने अपने characters होते हैं। आप कितना अपना character screen पे लेकर आ रहे हो? If you are really very conscious कि मेरे को लोग जज करेंगे या people will think a certain way, will perceive me a certain way, so you cannot completely come out as yourself. So reality show is something to showcase your real self. Either that can be a relationship or your personal self, anything. So that is what reality show is. The best you are with your own self, I think so the audience also likes you that way.
Right. So you have also been a part of Miss India.
Yes.
वो भी कहीं ना कहीं एक reality show type का ही format हो जाता है because contestant. How was that journey?
Well, Miss India अगर आप बोले, pageantry world is completely very very different. उसका comparison cannot be done with television. It is something that it is different. Like you're on that stage, you're in a competition, you know you're being judged, and a lot of things are there, but very different. You have to be poised most of the times because you know कि अच्छा people are looking at you, and कैसा रहता है कि at that point of time, even when you are not on the ramp, you're backstage, you are being observed, you are being noticed. So that kind of pressure is very different, where you are like, oh, I have to look beautiful, I need to be poised, and you know, I cannot be myself, I have to be something else. So that is very different, and this is very different. Reality show, you can be anything, like yourself, and you can do whatever you want to do, dress the way you want to do. But Miss India, there's a lot of expectations. they are looking for someone who
Doll.
like a doll, a Barbie doll. At my time it was like that in 2017.
I think even today
It's
there's a lot of pressure.
you need to have that proper
Height and-
hair.
yeah.
Yes, proper hair, face and everything.
So बात करते हैं रियलिटी शो की. इफ इट्स अ सोलो पर्सन पार्टिसिपेटिंग, थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है बिकॉज आपको पता होता है कि यू कैन डू अ पर्टिकुलर टास्क और एनी माइंड गेम. बट दिस इज अ कपल शो. हाउ डिफिकल्ट वॉज इट कि सामने वाले पे ट्रस्ट करना एंड एक साथ आगे जाना.
The first Love School you're talking
Yes,
about?
Love School.
Love School, I think so, was very easy for me because already I was dating this person I went with. तो for me, like for us, हमको पता था कि what are our strength, हमारी weaknesses क्या है, strength क्या है. तो हमारे लिए तो बहुत easy था. I think so if you know someone और आप जाते हो तो it is easy.
Correct.
And else, if you are on the show and you're dating someone else, then it's a bit difficult because then you're learning about each other. आप एक दूसरे को जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हो and everything. But for us, we already knew each other very well. So even in a lot of tasks and everything, I exactly knew कि उसकी strength किस में है. What is my strength? And we used to perform accordingly. So task used to be like fun for us.
And how was the whole experience with
Crazy. I
Sunny?
think
I
so.
think Sunny Leone was the host in that season.
No. Sunny Leone was not the host. Karan Khundra and Anusha Dandekar.
Okay. Oh, when
were-
they broke up. Oh, that's like way back.
I think so. I think so. Our season is the season where even the real couples who were there on the show also, they all broke up.
Ouch.
They're not together. There is something about the show.
Ouch. Okay. I'm sure you are also single, and that is why you got the next show, which was Mika the Voti.
Yes.
उसका क्या experience था? मतलब Mika Singh is very controversial, and you going on that show as being one of the potential brides. How did you convince everyone? Like थोड़ा तो judgment pass on हुआ होगा.
Well, I think so. That show also was fun. Is different contestant. That उसका vibe बहुत अलग होता था. Very
Correct.
different. Because again, there's this one guy and everyone wants to get married to him. So I think so. I had a lot of fun. I don't know about rest of them because I just went with this mindset that I want to have fun, and I used to be the one who used to pull everyone's leg जितनी भी लड़कियाँ थी because I knew him before doing the show also. So I never had this thing कि मेरे को अपनी image बनानी है उनके सामने. तो he somewhere already
Knew the real Manpreet.
how I am as a person. And I think so with rest of the contestants except for Akansha, they all did not know him prior. तो उनके लिए ये रहता था कि नहीं, we need to have that kind of presentation या फिर हम ऐसे उनके सामने रहे हैं जो भी है मतलब because you want to impress
Correct.
someone.
Of course.
So that kind of pressure I never had. But I used to enjoy pulling everyone's
Yes,
leg.
because when I also saw the show, I was like, you were very natural, and I think Farah Khan also loved you in that show for Mika.
Maybe उनको ये पसंद आया होगा कि she's not faking it to make it. So yeah, even I was like, what, me? But I think so. Her and also few of them when they came, they liked me is again because I was not under that pressure of like because I'm not there in front of him for the first time, so I was not under that pressure. Maybe they acted a different way or something because they were under pressure. You never know.
Being a tall girl, I have been myself. एक होता है यार कि हमसे लंबा लड़का चाहिए. आपको कभी ये नहीं लगा because you are tall yourself, and Mika is like relatively छोटे थोड़े height
Well, I
में.
have dated someone who's taller than me. मतलब
Of
ये
course.
एक obviously I have dated someone who's taller than me. With him, I think so. After a point of time, जैसे again I come from like my starting of my career has been from modeling industry.
Correct.
So when you are with that many models, there's so many guys, they're tall and everything. So after a point of time, you are not really looking how the person looks from outside. Then you start looking for something that you can connect within. So ऐसा था, but then with time you change with experiences.
Punjabi vibe match हो गई.
Yeah, maybe because I have I would want and I have mostly like dated Punjabi guys because again I have that vibe and I want कि अगर मैं पंजाबी में किसी को कुछ बोलूँ तो उसको समझ में आना चाहिए. वो हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन में that whole emotion is lost.
Dies, yeah, that's correct.
So yes, like that is the one thing I think. So if there's someone who's Punjabi and good at heart, I will go for that person.
एक ऐसा कोई गेस्ट जो शो पे आया and you were like so happy to meet that person?
As a guest, I think so. It would be Farah Khan, and then from his
Terence
family.
भी थे शायद ना?
Terence also I enjoyed, but I think so. I enjoyed the most when Gurdeep Paji was there in the show as a guest, because he has this energy and everything. Like if he's there in the room, so that he has that vivacious energy. So I think so. I enjoyed his when he was there on our show at that point.
तो आपने मॉडलिंग कर ली, रियलिटी डेटिंग शो कर लिया, मिक्का डिवोटी, देन मैंने देखा कि आप होस्ट भी कर रहे थे, दैट टू स्पोर्ट्स, दैट्स लाइक अ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट बीट. How did that happen? You were interested, like did you follow sports before?
I think so. Sports is it is very interesting. Like if you are on ground in cricket, the energy and everything is something very different. And I wanted to do sports hosting and everything. That was somewhere, it was always there in the back of my head ki karna hai mujhe, karna hai. So I got that one chance to do it, and it was lovely because the energy, everything, like on ground, it is something else. And when you're there, you're present there, you enjoy the game and everything. And obviously cricket being one of the most loved sports in our country. So
who's your favorite cricketer?
Well, I think so there's so many right now those have come up, but I like Virat Kohli. The reason for that is the way he's on the ground, his energy is something else. And he has this one thing which I think so, I have heard a lot of boys saying कि नहीं यार ये हरकतें तो अच्छी नहीं उसकी, but I love that he does his leg pulling for everyone. Like he will pull leg of the person who's in the opposite team to tease them, and I think so it's a smart thing to do.
Yeah,
it's a smart thing to do. You need to be strong enough that you don't let anyone come under your skin. So Virat Kohli also, for one of the reasons is I like him and Anushka Sharma. Like I love that
I think
couple.
Everyone is like shipping
that
them.
Couple is something else. Like whenever I look at them, I'm like, man, I want someone.
Yeah,
who's
but
like
you know, you
this.
have that kind of body structure, and maybe you'll soon find your way out. Or maybe you
not-
must have found. I don't know.
It's not always the body structure that see, body structure or the way you look, you might get a lot of attention, but if you want someone in your life that really loves you and everything, you need to
beyond that.
Yeah, the connection has to be beyond that. It cannot be limited to how you look and everything.
तो अभी मैं काउंट कर रही हूँ, डेटिंग रियलिटी शो, मिक्का डिवोटी, एंकरिंग, मिस इंडिया, एंड नाउ कमिंग ऑन द सिल्वर स्क्रीन. मतलब आप धीरे धीरे करके सारा कवर कर रहे हो. So of course I have seen आपने शेयर किया था, there's this movie coming, I think it's still not titled. एक तो है जिसमें of course मिक्का and निक्की तंबोली है, उसमें भी I think you're a part of it.
Yes.
How was the whole experience in that?
It was nice, very, I think so, that movie, लगा नहीं movie shoot कर रहे, but very homely kind of experience and everything. So that was fun. क्योंकि मोस्टली मतलब शूट भी उन्होंने ज़्यादातर ही डन ऑन हिज प्रॉपर्टीज ओनली एंड एवरीथिंग.
ओके,
तो दैट इट वाज गुड. मतलब ऐसा लगा नहीं कि हाँ मूवी शूट कर रहे हैं या ऐसा कुछ है. सो दैट वाइब वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. इट वाज फन.
एंड यू हैव आल्सो डन द सीक्वल ऑफ अंदाज. उसके बारे में बताओ, बिकॉज द फर्स्ट वन वाज कल्ट.
I think so. That movie was fun, and also working with Sunil Darshan sir was absolutely fun, because he is someone, when you work, मतलब इतने जो बहुत पुराने इंडस्ट्री के कोई रहते हैं, आप उनसे मिलते हो, काम करते हो, you get to learn a lot of things. I think so with him, he on the set he's very calm. मतलब everything, he's the one who's managing everything, from everything to literally everything, but he used to be very calm, very polite as a person, very nice. मतलब he has that fatherly kind of whole energy and vibe. It was a lovely experience working with him.
And who were the co-stars on it? क्योंकि मुझे तो
co-stars, I think so these are new people, and you need to wait for them.
कब हो रहा है रिलीज?
We are also waiting.
Okay, and अभी जो झुमकी का आपने पोस्टर शेयर किया है वो क्या है? मतलब इतने सारे लाइनअप्स आ रहे हैं आपके बैक टू बैक.
झुमकी, oh my god, झुमकी I think so is one of the characters जो मुझे कभी किसी ने अप्रोच नहीं किया हुआ ऐसे कैरेक्टर के लिए. usually you'll see matlab ki people, even when I did the Kapil Sharma show, so that time also the character which I got was this, like usually maybe because of my appearance and everything, I get this sexy bimbo character कि हाँ जो मतलब दिखने में अच्छी है पर दिमाग से तो even Andaz 2 was somewhere similar around that only. This movie which I have shot with Mika and this people, again same, she's a druggie and all this thing, but I think so Junki is a character, when it came to me I was really very excited because she's someone who's super घरेलू,
वो झुमका से झुमकी से झुमका,
yes, and like proper sari, sar pe pallu, and
oh my god,
that kind of thing. So she's this girl from UP. She's a bride of this guy who's like a villain in this movie. So that character when I got and when they was dressing me up, because I think so अभी तक जितना भी shoot किया मेरे को I think so 6-7 बार मेरी साड़ी change हो जाती है दिन में. But I am like, for this one I'm very excited, something very different, like someone who perceives you that way कि नहीं हम इसको ऐसे भी represent कर सकते हैं. So
correct,
very nice. I'm just waiting for everything to come out and the look to be shared, because this look has been like very different for me.
You know, everyone who enters the industry has a role model. Any role model that you have had, or somebody that inspires you
in Bollywood? I think so. If we start, I have liked Deepika Padukone most. Again, maybe because the way she looks, the way she carries herself and everything. I like her for that thing. I like Alia Bhatt is because of her acting. She's very eased out. Most of the time she's very eased out. You'll not see her to be too conscious or something. I don't know. That looks, even when you see her acting on the screen and everything, she's very natural. I like that thing about her. And look-wise and everything.
And which actor do you want to romance?
Well, I think so Ranveer Singh. Again, because of his that vivacious energy. And the other one is Ishan Khattar. I think so right now. Because I think so.
Royals.
In that series, I was like, my God, this guy looks really very... So he's that combination of hotness and cuteness.
But I think he might be shorter than you. I think.
No, I don't think so. He can be like 5'10" at least. No.
If you're watching this, please comment with your height.
I think so. He might be 5'10". Like,
hope so.
She's like, I'm not that obsessed with like tall guys.
Chalega.
You know?
Then
I'm
it's
like,
fine.
I think so. The guy has to be intellectually intelligent, emotionally mature, more than just height. Like, I think so. There's guys with good height, with good looks, but the moment वो जब अपना मुंह खोलते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है seriously वो नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
Got it.
I can compromise. Like if the guy is of my height, I am okay.
Okay, chalo.
Yes, like that much I can. But मुंह खोले तो गोबर नहीं होना चाहिए.
Got it. अभी ध्यान रखेंगे, अब लड़के जो नहीं जिनको आता है वो सीख कर आएंगे अभी. So now, what else is in the pipeline apart from your upcoming releases?
I think so. This is one more thing that we are in talks with. I'm just waiting for again, like even in that, I think so. The character which I am, it's a very nice movie. The concept is very nice, but again, just waiting for things to get lined up.
Correct, of course, and because Nazar is for real.
It is for real. I'm telling you, seriously. I've been like under that nazar.
Right.
Everything goes haywire.
You know, talking about all journey and, you know, एक लड़की Bombay में अकेली, all of it, it gets really difficult. In that, you have to also, you know, maintain a particular skin, body, all of it. How do you like take care of your mental health when, you know, things like get rejected, delayed, postponed?
That is difficult. I think so. जब मैं नई आई थी बॉम्बे में, तो I was like I was a ramp model only. तो तब ठीक था, like yes, there is a lot of competition. Yes, there are so many people coming to Mumbai every day.
Exactly.
Every day to be something. Now again, some people have a strong family support. They come in, they are financially supported and everything. And a lot of things are there. I think so. The one thing which I have experienced in Bombay is पहले तो ये पहले आप सुनते हो जब आते हो ना बॉम्बे, तो ये बातें सुनते हो कि बॉम्बे रखती है जिसको रखना चाहती है और जिसको नहीं रखना चाहती भेज देती. तो यू सी दैट विद टाइम, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन ऑल्सो आई वॉज हियर. ठीक है. And even in the difficult times when things were not working and everything, I don't know, somehow I survived in Bombay. I don't know how. God knows, no clue. But how do I maintain my mental health is I do a lot of meditation. I think so. I started, I don't know how and when, I just got into meditation in 2018 and everything. I got into pranic healing. That thing has been this place where it has changed my life in a very good way, because lot of calmness. You are still like, you know, it is chaos outside, but
correct,
inside you're still very calm. Because again, when you're aligned, everything in your life, you have aligned yourself, it becomes easier. I think so, it just becomes easier to get through things in your life.
Interesting. अब हमने बहुत serious बातें कर ली, so let's do a quick rapid fire. Okay, so let's go. Mika devotee or love school?
I think so, love school.
Modeling or acting?
Both.
Mika in one word.
I think so, he's entertainingly confusing.
Okay.
Yeah.
One contestant you would never want to see again?
I would love to see all of them again. I don't have anything. मतलब मेरे को किसी के against कुछ नहीं है. I love all of them. क्योंकि एक बार शो खत्म होता है तो after that whole thing is over. But again, reality show का सबसे best part I think so जो मैंने experience किया, you miss them. क्योंकि you miss all that crazy fun and drama in your life. Again, you're like back to the normal life. क्योंकि वहाँ पे ना आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. किसी को कुछ भी बोलना है, but again, no one will take it to their heart. So everyone, I love everyone.
Single life or dating life?
I think so, dating life if you're dating the right person. पागल को करोगे तो परेशान रहोगे आधा
वो तो यार सबके साथ वैसा ही है. Farah Khan said she loved you. Which celeb compliment made you blush on the show?
I think so, it was Farah Khan only, because again, coming from Farah Khan, it's a huge thing. So her.
Craziest DM you've received?
A lot of them. I cannot even recall. Lot of them actually, it keeps on coming, and I think so कि ठीक है, मेरे को एक point
people also compare you with Malaika, no?
Yes. मेरे को सबसे बड़ा I think so Malaika and even like Alia, but I don't know, some face cut or something. People are like, do you look like do you think you look like Alia? But I'm like, yes, a lot of people have told me. But you're the taller version of her.
No, I will still stick to Malaika.
And some of them, they tell me that you look like Malaika because of my cheekbones or something. So
yeah,
maybe a mix of both.
So which compliment do you like better?
I think so, both. Alia Bhatt, again, I told you, I love her act. And she has this innocence. Alia Bhatt has that innocence on the face, जो मुझे पसंद है. Malaika is hot. So I don't mind being a combination of both.
Yeah, so that's why Jhumki and the hot.
Yes,
दोनों मिल गया. Both
दोनों चाहिए मुझे.
If you could switch life with one Bollywood celeb for a day, who would it be?
Bollywood celeb for a day. No one.
No, Deepika Padukone भी नहीं.
No, I don't think so. किसकी लाइफ मुझे fascinating लगती है बहुत, that I'm like super. No one.
Ouch. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
मैं अपनी favorite नहीं हूँ, मतलब कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है, like you always, because again I am not deeply in love with any one of their husbands, so or even any of their boyfriends. तो no, इसीलिए मुझे लगता है ठीक है.
Right.
I'm happy in my space.
Correct.
Yes.
What's more stressful, the Miss India ramp or a reality show elimination round?
Oh, Miss India ramp. I think so कि एक वो भी फर्क रहता है ना कि when I entered Miss India, I was very young. I was in my college.
Right.
So वो pressure is something else, you know, because even if you want to cry, you're like smiling on the stage. It is different. Or in a reality show, you can cry. मेरे को रोना आ रहा है, मुझे बहुत nervous लग रहा है. You can say that in front of the camera. You can say that to the audience and everything. But Miss India, it is, you cannot. Plastic, like you cannot. So that is like more, बहुत pressure होता है. बहुत मतलब wearing that heels, like wearing, I think so we Abhi, I don't know if the rules have changed, but at that point of time, 5.5 inches of heels you have to wear. So it comes to your lower back. Auditions may also, there's so many girls are there. It is more,
Yeah.
there's a lot of pressure.
सुन के ही मुझे पेन शुरू हो
A
गया
lot of pressure
Yeah.
to look the best. You know, you need to look the best in whatever you're wearing and everything. That has a lot of pressure. Reality show, no, not that much. Reality show I have loved. I have enjoyed doing reality shows.
Fair enough. Lastly, जाते जाते, any message you want to give fans or aspiring models, actors?
Well, I'll just say one thing कि life में just go with the flow. Maybe कभी-कभी ऐसे लगे कि नहीं, things are not working out, अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, ये नहीं हो रहा है, but you need to go with the flow because you don't know what you can be or what you'll become tomorrow. Straight. And also, stay true to your own self. Don't be fake for the world. You'll last long.
Thank you so much, Manpreet. It was a pleasure having you.
Oh, same. I also had like a lot of pressure, but this is the first time I'm like feeling you're like too serious. You did not like open up. You could have like be at more ease.
ठीक है ना, कोई नहीं, वैसे off camera I'm very much at ease. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.